DEMAT account means dematerialized account. So instead of holding your shares, mutual funds, bonds and other securities in physical paper form, in DEMAT account you can hold all of them in digital and electronic form. Like how you have your money in your bank account, in DEMAT account you will have all your securities in an electronic form. And all the DEMAT accounts in India are maintained by two depositories, NSDL and CDSL. NSDL stands for National Securities Depository Limited. CDSL stands for Central Depository Securities Limited. So to buy and sell securities of any kind, mutual fund, shares, bonds, you need to have a DEMAT account mandatorily in India. So to open a DEMAT account, you need to open a trading account first with a stockbroker, and that stockbroker will automatically open a DEMAT account with any of the depositories which I told. So how to open a trading account with a stockbroker? Basically, there are a lot of stockbrokers in India like Zerodha, Upstock, Motilal Oswal, Sharekhan, etc. You can go to Google, search various stockbrokers and go to any of the stockbrokers website, and there will be some option or link about sign up or opening an account in their website. So click on that, give your mobile number, email address, and that stockbroker will reach out to you. And then you will have to give some basic ID proof like Aadhaar card, driving license, and through WhatsApp or an email. And within 1 or 2 days, your DEMAT account will be opened at the comfort of your home without much difficulty at all. So it's a very, very simple process. Once you have your trading account and DEMAT account opened, then you can start buying or selling shares in the stock market. But you cannot directly go to the stock market, that is a stock exchange, and buy and sell shares. No, that is not possible. In India, SEBI, as per the SEBI rules, you need to buy and sell shares through a stockbroker, through an intermediary. That is, so you'll have to place your orders in the website or the app of that stockbroker, through which it will go to the stock exchange. So stockbroker basically acts as an intermediary between you and the stock exchange. To buy and sell shares, stockbroker facilitates the process to you in the stock exchange. So when you buy the shares automatically come into your DEMAT account. It gets added to your DEMAT account when you buy the shares. And when you sell the shares go out of your DEMAT account electronically. So this is the process and how the DEMAT account works. And also you can have more than one DEMAT account with different stockbrokers. Okay, that is, you can have one DEMAT account with Zerodha, one with Motilal Oswal, and one with another stockbrokers also. So I hope now you understand what is a DEMAT account, how to open a DEMAT account, and then how you can start trading in the shares. Thank you.